Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohammed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we Audi 2013-14 A4. This car here, we have problem with the lighting. Light issue. Light is not working good. The fog, one of the headlight here doesn't work. The light here stay all the time. The other one there, I see like we have the LED light doesn't work here still, but that's okay for now. But the signal are working for me. Let me see. You see, LED is working, low beam, high beam also is working, but you see here on auto everything is working, but the LED around here is not working. Hey, what's up? How are you? All this problem, they have to take wire from here, the other side here. But you know what we found? The electrical junction box. Electrical junction box was bad. It had corrosion on it. Where is it? We took it out. It's supposed to be somewhere, but it's okay. But I want to show you where it's located. You come here. Come all the way. After you open this, you see there. There is a computer there, you see? That's a computer. Take that one out, you see, change it. You push it to the front, or you move this one, this fuse box, you move it out, and then you take it from there. I will give you more information about it later, but that's how where it's working. Here is the fuse box, the Audi. We're gonna put a diagnostic tool, and then we can run coding and diagnosis a little bit to see what we need to do. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.